Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 13th point. Pronunciation of Arabic words. In English, TO is to, but NO is not no, it is no. Night, N-I-G-H-T. But 8 is A-I-G-H-T, it is not ait. C-A-R is car, but C-A-N-T is not Kent, it is scent. And psychology or knowledge. In fact, in English, you cannot read even one sentence of English without proper training in pronunciation. Whereas in Arabic, each letter has a unique sound. There are no silent letters in Arabic. Each vowel sign has a unique sound. And each long vowel also has a unique sound like a, e, u. Okay. In Arabic, for example, there is only one way to say this phrase, Bismillah. Unique pronunciation is there for each word. So once you know the basics, you can read the whole Quran without a single mistake, without understanding a single word. If you cannot, still you can read it, without an Arab telling you how to recite. And it is already done by almost 1 billion non-Arabs every day. Alhamdulillah, Quran is not revealed in English. Of course, English is also Allah's language. But the point is, if it were revealed in English, nobody could have read it without proper or extensive guidance. There may be a question about some letters, like these 9 letters. What about them? What about their sounds or their articulations, like tha, ha, kha, dha, dha, da, a, gha, qa. It is only because we have not used those parts of our tongue or our throat. No Arab kid had any difficulty in saying any of these. So with little practice, inshallah, you can read them all. That's it. You want to know more? Subscribe to our channel. youtube.com/user/understandquran. Wassalamu alaikum.